Students, this is 165th maths class. Let us continue solving miscellaneous problems. So, right students, next question. So, if y equals sin square x, sin cube x plus cos power 6x, find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. So right, differentiate this solution. Differentiation of y is dy by dx. Start from power. You start differentiating from power. 3 sin square x. 3 sin square x. n into x power n minus 1. Differentiating power over. Now you think of differentiating sin x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x plus you start differentiating from power n into x power n minus 1, 6 into cos power 6 minus 1, 5x. Differentiation of power over. Now you differentiate cos x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Write that neatly once. So dy by dx is 3 sin square x, 3 sin square x cos x plus into minus 6 sin x into cos power 5x. Let us go for one more question, students. Next question. So next question. So if y equals 3x square minus 9x plus 5 whole power 9, find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. One more simplest 2 mark question. So dy by dx is start differentiating from power. Start differentiating from power. X power n into x power n minus 1, 9 into 3x square minus 9x plus 5, 9 minus 1, n into x power 1 minus 1, 9 minus 1 it is 8 into differentiating this power over, go inside, get inside, 3x square, constant into function, 3 into constant into function, 3 into differentiation of x square is 2x. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Constant into function minus. Come to this one. Constant into function. Write that 9 as it is. Differentiate x. 9 into 1. Differentiation of 5 is 0. Need not to take that. Don't take zeros. 0. So answer is. So dy by dx is. So 9 into 6x minus 9 into 3x square minus 9x plus 5 whole power 8. So 2 more questions, students. Let us go for one more question. Let us move on to one more question. So write find dy by dx. So find dy by dx if y equals sin inverse x plus sin inverse root of 1 minus x square. Differentiating this is so easy. If I use putta method, put x is equal to sin theta or cos theta. Put x is equal to sin theta. Put x is equal to sin theta. So y is equal to sin inverse sin theta plus sin inverse root of 1 minus sin square theta. One thing, students, you can think of put only if there is inverse, but for all inverse functions you cannot use put. Put ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಪ್ಪ ನೀವು ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ. ಹಂಗಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸು ಪುಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So write y equals Sin inverse sin get cancels. Theta. Sin inverse 1 minus sin square. What is 1 minus sin square theta? Cos square theta. So root of cos square theta get cancels. Y equals theta plus sin inverse cos theta. Here we have cos theta sin inverse. If I change cos into sin, consume anti, sin inverse sin get cancels. After the differentiation becomes easy. So y equals theta plus sin inverse cos theta, change into sin pi by 2 minus theta, sin inverse get cancels. Y equals theta plus pi by 2 minus theta, plus theta minus theta get cancels. Y equals pi by 2, that implies dy by dx constant. Differentiation of constant is 0. Differentiation of constant is 0. One more simplest method is direct method is, look at this direct method students. So y equals sin inverse x plus sin inverse root of 1 minus x square. We have these formulas. Sin inverse x is equal to cos inverse root of 1 minus x square. You try that. You use put method and try that, you will get it. Or cos inverse x is equal to sin inverse root of 1 minus x square. Root of 1 minus x square. Why had these formulas? If you remember these two formulas, if these two formulas are remembered, if you remember these two formulas, solving this is easy. Direct method, solution. Y equals sin inverse x. So what is sin inverse root of 1 minus x square? Cos inverse x. Sin inverse root of 1 minus x square is nothing but cos inverse x. In inverse trigonometry, I explained that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x formula. How much is that? Pi by 2. It is pi by 2. Y equals pi by 2. Now differentiate. Dy by dx is 0. Let us go for one more question. Next question is find dy by dx. Next question is, so write if y equals 12 into 1 minus cos t, x equals 10 into t minus sin t. So find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Look at this students, easy question. So easy solution. So dy parametric equations. Differentiate these parametric equations. Y with respect to t. Dy by dt. So dy by dt. Constant into function. Keep the 12 as it is. Think of differentiating 1 minus cos t. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Cos t is minus sin t. Minus of minus plus sin t. So dy by dt. So 12 sin t. So dx by dt. Constant into function. Keep that constant 10 as it is. 10. Differentiate t minus sin t. Differentiation of t is 1. Sin t is cos t. So dy by dx. Tell me the function related to dy. Quantity related to dy. 12 sin t. by, so quantity related to dx, 10 into 1 minus cos t, 1 minus cos t. So still you can think of simplifying this half-angle formulas. So 12 into sin theta, 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2 by, so 10 into 1 minus cos theta. What is 1 minus cos theta? 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square t by 2. 2 sin square t by 2. 2 get cancels. 2 5s are 2 6s are. Again sin t by 2 sin t by 2 get cancels. Answer is 6 by 5. 6 by 5. Sin get cancels. What is cos by sin? Cot. Cot t by 2. Cos by sin is cot t by 2. Next let's go for one more 3 mark question. So if y equals, next question, if y equals cot inverse root 1 plus sin x plus root 1 minus sin x, root 1 minus sin x by root 1 plus sin x minus root 1 minus sin x. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. So it's easy question, students. Let us, I use rationalize method. If I use rationalize method, so differentiating this becomes so easy. Star problem. Star problem. Y equals cot inverse root 1 plus sin x plus root 1 minus sin x. So by, so root 1 plus sin x minus root 1 minus sin x. You go for multiply and divide. So root 1 plus sin x plus root 1 minus sin x, 1 minus sin x by, so root 1 plus sin x plus root 1 minus sin x. So y equals cot inverse a plus b into a plus b. A plus b into a plus b. What is a plus b into a plus b? A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. So rationalize, students, multiply and divide. A plus b into a plus b. A plus b whole square. That is a plus b into a plus b. A plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. I write that directly. A square. A square means root 1 plus sin x whole square. 1 plus sin x plus b square. B square means root 1 minus sin x whole square. Square root get cancels. 1 minus sin x plus a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into a into b. ab. So root a into root b. What is root a into root b? Root of ab. That is root of 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x by, here I have used a plus b into a plus b. A plus b whole square. I have written, so I used a square plus b square plus 2ab. If you are not understanding, take that separately, expand it and simplify. You will get it clearly. You will get it clearly. Come to denominator, students. A minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. A square means 1 plus sin x minus b square root 1 minus sin x whole square. Square root get cancelled. use bracket 1 minus sin x. Now you simplify this. Sin x get cancelled. So y equals cot inverse 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 into a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, 1 minus sin square. What is 1 minus sin square? Cos square x. 2 into root of cos square x by minus 1, minus into minus plus sin x. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Sin x plus sin x, 2 sin x. Again 2 common, 2 get cancelled. Remaining is y equals cot inverse 1 plus cos x by sin x. Now you use half angle formulas. So y is equal to cot inverse 1 plus cos x 2 cos square x by 2 sin x 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 2 get cancelled. Cos remaining is cos by sin. What is cos by sin? Cot. So y equals cot inverse cot x by 2 cot inverse get cancelled. Y equals x by 2. Now you think of differentiating this. You differentiate this. So dy by dx x by 2. You take that as 1 by 2 into x, constant into function. Keep that constant as it is. Differentiation of x is 1. 1 by 2 आगे इट्कोंडु x न ಮಾಡಿ 1. Answer is 1 by 2. This is 3 mark question, students. This is about your miscellaneous problems practice. In the next class, we shall discuss applications of differentiation. This is about your differentiation. Differentiation got over. In the next class onwards, we shall think of uses of this differentiation. Okay, students, let us stop this class. Thank you.